Hello.
I was talking to you!
Who is?
See my car here? It's doozy, ain't it? It's not paid. That's an ugly car. Man, you guys got the big steps here. You guys need to get rid of these rocks.
You broke it. You broke
I'm
it.
sorry, madam. I'll just pull around. I'll be back in a do with it. I'm coming as fast as I can. Oh, you guys got some dogs, don't you? Man, you're gonna have to call a chiropractor.
You'll pay for that.
I'll just try to fix this right now. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh, my back! That was my back cracking. I'm just trying to fix this. I see the owner of the home. Hello, owner of the home. I see the other owner of the home in the other window. Sorry for breaking your eye. I'm just trying to fix this, or I'll buy it. You know what? I'll just buy it. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh boy. Okay. It's all good. All good. They say I'm a pimp. I'm a pimpin' in the hood. Soldier boy, let me roll. Oh man.
You need help, sir?
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'd like to buy this. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
Is this funny to you? Can you hear me? I want to buy this. You understand? Whoa! You need me to buy this? I'd like my money.
I'm over here.
Oh. Oh boy. Seems like I don't have any money. I will give you this instead. It's my precious, priceless pimpin' necklace.
Thank you.
I'm gonna take your camera. Wait! No! Yes!